Hi, my name is Chips, and I am the avatar for that orange tabby sleeping on the CNC machine. My human is overwhelmed by the chaos. Running a custom fabrication shop or maker business is chaotic enough without your paperwork adding to the mess. Between tracking estimates, managing inventory, and actually building the product, things get lost in the shuffle.
Meow meow.
Welcome to YieldWorks, the all-in-one estimating, production, and inventory system designed specifically for small manufacturing businesses and custom fabrication shops. We start here on the dashboard, your command center. In a single glance, you can see your core financial metrics, keep tabs on low inventory items requiring restock, review recent purchase orders, and track pending work orders without having to dig through complex menus. YieldWorks easily adapts to your specific niche. In the business settings, you have complete control over system-wide preferences. You can define taxation rates, standard payment instructions, toggle between metric and imperial measurements, set your business fiscal year for proper quarterly and annual reporting, and configure the profile details and logos that will be stamped onto your outgoing PDFs. Let's dive into estimates. The Estimates Hub is where you track potential and ongoing jobs. You can quickly see which estimates are still in the drafting phase, which have been sent out to clients for approval, and which are officially accepted and ready to hit the shop floor. You can either edit an existing estimate or create a new one. Building an estimate in YieldWorks is powerful and highly visual. Select a customer and watch as their full contact profile instantly loads right into the form. You simply pull exact costs from your catalog by adding materials, hardware, labor, and machine time. YieldWorks automatically calculates your total cost, applies your designated markup, and determines your gross margin. There's even a built-in mathematical wizard on each material line. Simply click the calculator icon to automatically figure out complex dimensional numbers, like board foot requirements for wood or resin volumes for your pours. And when you're ready, you can compile a beautiful PDF or hit the email button to fire the quote directly to the client's inbox in one click. The work orders section bridges the gap between sales and the shop floor. An estimate tells you the cost, but a work order drives the execution. Here, you translate accepted projects into step-by-step tasks, assign them to team members, and track real-time progress. It keeps your shop organized and ensures everyone knows exactly what needs to be built today. Once a job is completed, converting it into cash flow is seamless. On the Invoices screen, you can generate a new invoice and even link it directly back to an accepted estimate to auto-populate the data along with your customer's profile. You can include custom payment instructions at the footer, log partial deposits and payments over time, and dispatch the bill directly to your client's email right from the top navigation bar. Under the hood of every great estimate is perfectly accurate data. YieldWorks gives you a dedicated catalog to track your core items. In the Materials catalog, you can manage bulk goods, set their cost per unit, like board feet, square feet, or liquid ounces, and track minimum stock levels. The Hardware catalog works similarly for discrete, individual pieces. Keeping this catalog updated ensures your estimates are never guessing. They are pulling your true, current shop costs. The labor and machine types provide additional catalog input. YieldWorks also acts as your core CRM. The customer's view stores all your client information, billing addresses, and contact details, making estimating lightning fast. The supplier's view does the exact same thing for the vendors who provide your raw materials, heavily streamlining your reordering process. When it comes time to restock, creating purchase orders is a breeze. Pull from your supplier list and select the specific catalog items needed. Once the purchase order is finalized and dispatched to the vendor, you can track it here. Best of all, once a shipment arrives and you mark the PO as received, YieldWorks handles the math automatically, pushing those newly acquired quantities directly into your livestock. Speaking of purchasing, YieldWorks features live tracking of your stock levels. This screen provides you an instant audit of what's sitting on your shelves today. You can see real-time quantities, total inventory value, and easily make manual adjustments to log lost items. When items drop below a designated threshold, the system automatically flags them for reorder. Finally, what gets measured gets managed. YieldWorks includes a complete reporting suite organized into two powerful sections. The financial and tax reports are built specifically for tax season. The income report tracks exactly how much revenue you've received from paid invoices. The cost of goods sold report breaks down exactly what it cost you to produce each job you sold. Materials, hardware, labor, machine time, so you know your true gross profit. The sales tax summary totals up every dollar of tax you've collected from customers, ready for your quarterly state filing. And the purchases report tallies every dollar you've spent on supplies and materials, broken down by supplier. Every one of these reports can be viewed by month, quarter, or year. And they all respect your fiscal year setting. So if your business runs July to June instead of calendar year, YieldWorks has you covered. On the operations side, the time-based P&L paints a complete picture of your revenue and margins over time. The project P&L lets you drill into individual job profitability. And the remaining effort and team tasks reports keep your shop floor running smoothly.
Good job, Chips. I'll take it from here. Thanks.
Okay, see ya.
Maybe you are a resin artist, or maybe 3D printing is your thing. The point is, it doesn't matter. If you are a woodworker, a ceramicist, doing beading or jewelry, a creator or maker of any kind, YieldWorks can help organize your workflow. No subscription, just a one-time fee gives you a permanent license. Go to yieldworks.co to find out more.